Well, hello everybody and welcome to the official launch of the System Administrator 2.0. I have some amazing mind-blowing content to share with you, and I've actually found an amazing mind-blowing instructor that was kind enough to help with this course. So let's crack into it, shall we? Now, this is a project that I collaborated with Sheridan Roberts. So this is not a solo program like most of my other programs behind my academy. Now, you may wonder why I decided to pick Sheridan, and I was blown away when he shared his history and his credentials. So he's a certified AWS DevOps engineer and solutions architect with more than 14 years of experience, and he's actually worked with some of the big guys behind GitHub. Let's Encrypt, the certificate that powers half of the internet, as well as cars.com, and he had a huge network, huge gaming network client running at 450 million views per month. So pretty crazy. And his standard hourly rate is $200 per hour. So you know that you are in great hands, and this guy knows his stuff. Matter of fact, he's doing that every single day. So you will be learning from one of the best people in the world right now. So a little bit about me, if you haven't heard, just a quick recap. I'm the founder and CEO of my academy. I've been doing it for a very long time. My software that I wrote got over 1.2 million downloads. I've also received the Top Creator 2025 award from Built by Bit. I've managed my own network up to 30,000 players back in the days, closed in 2015, and I've taught my academy courses to close to 4,000 people. And I've been writing my own software for more than 15 years. Matter of fact, I wrote and I deployed the entire Mind Academy website and the learning management stack on my own LMS, on my own VPS and LMS. So you'll be learning from somebody who actually does that, and you will be on the website that has been written by me and deployed and managed daily by me. Now, let's just give you a quick overview. Who is a system admin and why you should care about this? So, system admin, plain and simple. People always overcomplicate it, but I like simple explanations. This is somebody who sets up and manages a network. That's it. An example of this is a hypixel network. Your own VPS running a micro server, or OpenClaw, everybody's been talking about that nowadays, or even abliterated, which is uncensored AI models. And by the way, we are going to have a lesson in the program about that, how to run these things, or Nextcloud, or simply your business SaaS app. If you deal with any of that, then you can say that you are doing a system administrator's job. And a great system admin goes deeper. And this is something that we want to teach you guys, is to have a full stack skill set. So not only you will actually deploy these apps, back them up, monitor, access, manage user access, do security, firewall, and then scale them. You'll also do pipelines. You'll also do infrastructure, Docker, containers, and these things. So more on the DevOps engineer end, but I think that the lines now are a little bit more blurred, and a good sysadmin should do the full stack. Now, the obvious question is, why should you care? Why am I recording this video? Well, first of all, we live in a crazy time where literally every company is becoming a software company. And these salaries are skyrocketing. An average DevOps engineer now earns more than $10,000 per month in the United States. And even a junior can take home, I think it's more like $8,000 a month now. You can check it literally right now what the latest salaries are, but it is an extremely hot and in-demand skill set. And look, there's a lot of buzz about AI. And I'll tell you straight up, I had to clean a lot of vibe-coded slop from people who actually, don't really know what they're doing. That is also a reason why we want to give you guys a step-by-step system so that you learn to set up guardrails and you learn to manage AI properly. And by the way, the OpenClaw founder said, if you can't understand how to run a command line, this is far too dangerous of a project for you to use safely, right? So it doesn't matter. Even if you just want to have a Minecraft network, you need to have sysadmin skills. Even if you just want to run your own AI system, whether that's on your computer or you want to get a VPS in the cloud, you need to have the skills and you need to understand how to do that safely and properly. And AI will eliminate the low end. It's going to get rid of people writing basic Unix or Linux commands. It's already doing it at scale. And it's going to get rid of people doing basic stuff like troubleshooting, runtime, deployments. However, and this is where, the sysadmin stuff that we teach comes in. It's going to make the high end super duper valuable. There's going to be an extreme demand for the high level design and architectural stuff. Actually, people who understand the full stack, they can do security, they can design the whole platform in a way that it doesn't break tomorrow. This is becoming super valuable. And that's why I've introduced the System Administrator 2.0 program. This is a 6-week flagship full stack program. So it combines the knowledge of system admins, DevOps, and as of recently in the 2.0 version, also agentic engineers. So you guys will be building stuff and then applying AI on top of that, making sure it's safe and saving hundreds of hours of time. And so you guys will be actually using AI after you've learned the basics. You'll be setting up the proper guardrails, security, and you'll be saving a lot of time on that. Now, in addition to pre-recorded lessons, there are weekly Zoom classes with myself personally, and we're going to be handing out career certificates so that you can actually get a better job position. You can apply, you can put it on your resume, or you can put it on a CV. These career certificates contain a QR code, so they are fully verifiable and they cannot be faked. As well as we have an amazing JetBrains program. So we work with JetBrains. JetBrains is one of the leading companies for development software in the world. If you haven't heard about that, you probably heard. And you will be getting free 4-month licenses to some of their best software that even Google developers use. On top of that, we've partnered with FounderPass, and you know what? I'll show you this more about this in a second. So you may be wondering, what is inside the program? Oh my goodness, it's a lot. I'm not going to be reading everything. I'm just going to be going over this quickly, and you can pause the slide and you can make your own judgment. So there's the entire Linux management stack. Obviously, you need to be able to manage basic commands. And by the way, if you don't care about Linux, but you have a Mac and Linux are actually coming from the same foundation called Unix. Many, if not most of the commands are very similar, very much the same. So even if you want to run stuff locally on your macOS terminal, you will still find it very, very familiar. We're going to be talking about networking a lot, how to scale networks, how to rotate them, how to load balance and stuff like that, how to deploy to cloud, whether it's Docker, AWS, Azure, doesn't matter where. We're going to be talking about how to do a proper cloud deployment and how to connect to it in a secure SSH tunnel way. We're going to be talking about databases, so horizontal scaling, message queue, security policies, and talking about security. There's going to be a lot of focus on security because we want to show you how to build with security as the default standard, not as an afterthought, as a lot of people just using AI, not understanding how it actually works, have to deal with. Next, we do a lot of scripts. For example, crons, automated, fixed, running jobs and stuff like that, as well as a lot of performance topics to make sure that the micro network you want to run or your even web app actually performs smoothly. I'm going to show you how to install different panels, whether that's a PHP panel like HSTSCP or a Minecraft panel like Pterodactyl or Next.js panel like Coolify. It's all in there. As well as monitoring, people requested that, and as of recently, agentic workflows. Now, if that's not enough, on top of that, you're gonna be getting best-in-class support with weekly pre-recorded training and weekly Zoom calls. So in addition to the 6 weeks of pre-recorded training, as I just mentioned, you are going to get direct access to coaches every single week on live Zoom calls to answer all of your questions. So let me actually show you how it works. We have a live call page here. We have call recordings. As you can see, we've done hundreds and hundreds of those calls. It's pretty much going down to 2019. And then you can simply register for the upcoming call. And then after the call, you can, if you missed the call, you can just send me an email. I will answer the questions on the call. And then you can watch the recording. This is how it works. People can share their screen. People can have me review their stuff. It's very, very cool. You don't need to have a microphone. You don't need to have a camera. That's totally fine. If you want to be an anonymous chatter, that's fine too. Matter of fact, the only thing that really matters for you right now is that you will have direct access to us and you can get near immediate help, which is something that I haven't seen a lot of courses do. On top of that, as I mentioned, we work with JetBrains to give you access to software like Dot Ultimate or IntelliJ Ultimate. I think most people are coming after IntelliJ. There is also a JetBrains AI Pro program, PHP Storm, PyCharm, and all these other crazy softwares. That is up to you. If you already have IntelliJ and you want to apply for another software, that's entirely up to you. On top of that, we've partnered with FounderPass, and FounderPass basically gives you the same perks as if you were building a startup in the USA having investors. So they remove that need, and now you can apply regardless of your location. I was able to get actually $50,000 through Microsoft Azure through FounderPass, and most of my students are able to get $5,000, which is still an extreme amount if you want to run a VPS on a brutally extremely fast hardware on a real-life deployment, and you don't want to pay for that. I think it's pretty insane offer. And they also offer many other deals, such as 12 months free of Make.com, Perplexity. I was also able to get 2,500 of OpenAI credits back in the days, and also 1,000 Amazon credits to actually send emails for free and do a lot of cool stuff in their AWS services. On top of that, we'll be issuing career certificates, and this is how it looks like. It has a QR code. It is fully verifiable, and students who went through the entire program, worked with us, will be eligible for it. And this is a thing you can put as credentials on your LinkedIn profile, on your resume, on your CV. You can share it on social media and in your job interviews. So it's something you definitely want to get after finishing the program. Now, let's talk about the release schedule. So I guess the most obvious question is, what is finished from the program? And I'm going to say this, but I'm actually going to show you. So this is the program as it is right now in this video. So you can see week 1 has almost 5 hours of content, and it has all of these beautiful lessons. This is fully finished. Week 2, also fully finished, 3.5 hours of content. And week 3, fully finished, 3 hours of content. And then week 4, here is where there's a cutoff, and this will be dripped in the coming weeks. So you have pretty much 3.5 weeks. You have more than enough until the next drip, and we'll be dripping it every single week. And this is actually really cool because what you can do, you can give us direct feedback, and you can help us build the program according to your own needs. Matter of fact, we just published a minor 2.1 update where I've actually edited a lot of videos in week 1 according to students' feedback. So this is the biggest announcement so far in the presentation. The typical price is going to be 200 euros, obviously to reflect who is doing the program, to reflect the cost for making this program and everything. However, if you join early and you want to get in as an early bird, you can get it for just 97 euros, which is about 105 or 109 USD, depending on the current exchange rate. So price will gradually raise for each update of the program until it settles at $200. However, if you join early, you're going to get free lifetime access to all of the program updates. Now, the only limit that we decided to impose is the tickets. So if you want to jump in as the early bird, please note that we do limit it to 10 people per opening. So we did run a private opening just on my email list. I think that was 10 days ago. Then we did the 2.1 update. Now this is the second opening that we're doing publicly through also YouTube. And every single subsequent opening will have raised price, and it's also going to be capped to just 10 people. So if you go to the website, there's a little timer, and until the timer hits 0 or until we reach the full capacity, you can enroll. But once that is satisfied, you won't be able to enroll for a few weeks, and definitely not at this price. This is simply because we run live coaching calls every single week. We want to make sure that we work with you guys, and we work with you guys closely, and we want to have plenty of time and space to actually build the program the right way, rather than open it to hundreds of people and then it's going to be a mess. So we want to have it as very controlled, dripped schedule and build it alongside your own needs. All right, so I'm going to leave you with this quote if you're interested. Someone who combines DevOps, sysadmin, and agentic AI skills, as we decided to teach you, can now build things that most people think require an entire engineering team. This was a dream a couple of years ago. However, right now with AI agents, this is becoming a reality. And you may wonder, what are some of the crazy use cases? By the way, here is an average salary. So this is even higher than the one I showed you before. This comes more than 10,000 a month. And here is OpenClaw. So this is one of the most record-breaking projects on GitHub. And as a system admin, you are not only able to deploy it, but you're also able to modify it to your needs, to maybe create a fork, maybe monetize it, sell it, right? Or maybe build your own one, which is pretty crazy. And by the way, so this is very new. Anthropic just confirmed Claude code has been leaked. And if you become a full stack sysadmin, you will be able to actually work with that code base, which is mind blowing because it's a huge code base. And again, a couple of years ago, if I made it promise, people would call me out and I wouldn't be telling the truth. However, things are changing very, very fast. And right now, with agentic workflows, you will be able to actually look at the code base, maybe take some inspiration, maybe create your own harness and do a lot of very cool stuff with it. So doors will be opened, whether you want to pursue a career, whether you want to launch your own SaaS company, whether you just want to deploy a virtual girlfriend even. That's a perfectly fine use case. And whatever you want to do, there's a lot of amazing stuff in the program. So what I invite you to do is head over to mineacademy.org/system-administrator and secure your spot right now.